Hey guys, Amara Vlogs here with another entertainment news update. So you guys, this is an update for the last video I made about Davido, singer Davido, sending his private jet to fly his baby mama or wife to be Chioma and their only son Ifeanyi to London. It's a good news that they are now safely in London as Davido welcomed them in a grand style. Before we check out into clips of how Davido welcomed them, I would like to also happily announce that Davido has finally sold out for this particular live show on the 5th of March 2022 as the O2 Arena announced it on their official page that Davido has sold out, which is very huge, and massive congratulations to Davido. And so for this effect, Nollywood actor Chioma, who no one let Obo rest, actually reacted to this selling out of the tickets and said, "Chef, now your only ticket to smelling a Grammy. So it is not just enough to fly him with private jet come O2 Arena. Pay her bride price with cryptocurrency. If not, turning private jet to taxi go be the only award you go win. History don't show us say anytime you pamper Chef Chi like this, you get wetin you dey look for. We the Igbos no go accept belle number 2 if she is the greatest chef in the world, and the way to the heart of strong African man na food. So make am official, bro, because she's your only ticket to ever smelling a Grammy. God knows." I beg, may we just watch the clips of Davido and his lovely people in London. Also, Davido brother turned up for this show, and a lot of his amazing friends are there to show him support. All right,
let's go.
Go back.
Roscoe. Big ball. Where you going? Papa. Papa, this way. Hey. It's bigger. Yeah, it's big now.
I know the flight operations is running this, and they definitely didn't.
Happy. Happy chilling. How are you?
Yeah.